Yo, what is up guys, how are you? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video we will be unboxing the Fanxiang UD11 Ram. So the one I have is the 32GB 16x2 DDR4 3200 megahertz, and yeah, this costed me £53 on Amazon. So let's see how it is. In terms of my past experience with Fanxiang, I have used their SSDs before in my laptop because my laptop SSD broke, so I had to replace it. That isn't the SSD, that's just other stuff I put in there for now. Anyways, let's cut into this box. Oops. Okay. And open it. Okay, and pull out the RAM. Oh, wait, okay, it's this way around. Oh wait, no, it is this way around. Okay. Nice. So here's our actual RAM. As you can see, it's got LEDs on the top, and yeah. Besides that, we have this warranty card and manual, I'm guessing, or what is this? Oh yeah, the product manual. Okay. And I don't think we have any warranty cards in here. Yep, nothing else. So yeah, that's it. Let's get the PC down on the floor and open. Crack this bad boy open. Get the RAM out. Actually, let's eject the old RAM first. So just take that out. So old RAM, not the greatest, really badly spray painted, but chuck that aside and take out the newbie. So the RAM does have a slightly blue tint to it, which is quite nice. Let's pull the RAM out. Here we go. First stick. We're gonna use dual channel memory. So we use slot B and slots D. So 2 and 2. So we'll plug this in. So align this. And that's it. There we go. Okay, no, that's the wrong way around. Let's do that again. In we go. And click. Done. Okay. Time for the next stick. So yeah, take it out. See a pretty nice blue tint. Open the next slot. Put it in. And click. Nice. So quite a snug fit right there. Go throw in and let's try on the PC now. Okay, time for the ultimate review. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn the PC on from the side. We have power in the motherboard. Now, 3, 2, 1. Damn, okay, I saw some flashing. Damn, that's nice. Okay, so let's boot into BIOS, I guess, and see what's up. Okay, here in the BIOS, we can see 32 gigs dual channel memory, A2, E2, and yeah. In terms of OC tweaker, we're gonna go into this, then DRAM configuration, enable XMP profile, and then we're gonna set that to 3200 megahertz, mega transfers, whatever. Yep, there we go. And then we're also gonna load profile 2.1, and let's go back and adjust that back to 3200. SMP timing, whatever, I don't know what that means. Dynamic memory boost, enable. Okay. And then DRAM configuration. Okay, I don't know what that means either. But yeah. Game mode, maybe 4. Let's just try that as well. I do not know what that means, but yeah, I think this should mean that we get 3200 megahertz working, which we can just check if we exit, disable changes and exit, and then we go into Windows, and yeah. Anyways, in terms of the RAM actually being good, looks, I would definitely rate it a good 4 out of 5. The only thing that could be better is the diffusion. It's not as hard as it is in camera, but it is still there. You can see the pixels. And then also, I cannot seem to figure out how to get all of the 3200 mega transfers working, so yeah, that's another thing I'll have to figure out. But besides that, yeah, the RAM does seem to be pretty good. And yeah, if I were to recommend someone on a budget a RAM, this would definitely be it.